No, so I mean, I saw there's one down the end there. Someone's got a motorhome parked outside.
Yeah. Yeah.
So if we really get fed up with that ceiling,
we might be knocking on the door.
yeah, that's right.
Quite a nice little area.
I had an email saying if you want to look at them while you're staying here,
Yeah.
just ask in reception. You can go and look round them.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, so this is a 2024 Willoughby Brookwood, 42,750, six, sleeps 6, 2 bedrooms, 35 feet by 12 feet. And the kind lady was just saying that obviously this is a sale one, so normally they would have a balcony like the ones over there, but they only put the balcony on obviously once it's sold. So in case you're wondering. And also they might want to move it, of course, first, and then we'll have a little look inside. Jenny's already in there. Got a little area here, a little bay window. It sleeps 6 as well, and you've got your meter, the electric on there, and that. Right. Okay. There we go. I'll start in the bedroom.
2 bedrooms.
Yeah, start in this one.
It sleeps 6, so there's a
Sofa bed, yeah. Okay.
Okay, it's all carpeted. That's
Nice,
quite a big
isn't it?
bed, isn't it? All the cupboards at the back. Radiator. It's fully furnished. Lights up the top. Curtains.
Is that a wardrobe behind you?
No, it's a toilet.
Oh, that's nice. A good height.
Yeah.
I'm
It's
looking
not-
in a motorhome.
I know, well, you feel like that, don't you? But it's not on a plinth. Obviously, there's a shower pipe access there, so there's not a shower in that one, but it's often all you need at night, isn't it?
Mm.
Yeah. Lots of hanging space.
Yeah, rails at the
Rails at the back.
there.
There's a cupboard at the back there. Yeah, oh, that's good.
It's wood.
Yeah,
Perfect.
so, yeah, but it does
Oh,
feel
it's
like
all
wood, doesn't it? Whether it's a veneer. Hmm. Liking this a lot.
And this is the
Is that it?
bathroom, shower room.
Oh
Big
wow.
shower.
Yeah. Yeah, no, that's good, isn't it? It's a walk-in shower. You hold that for us there. So. Look at that. Only a single drainer there.
Oh right, okay. Well, make sure you level then.
Well, I think they'll do that for you. Yeah. And sliding shower door.
Yeah, it's attached.
Oh, it's stuck on there. Expel air. Towel rail. Yeah. Great big cupboard. These feel like solid cupboards, because I suppose the thing about holiday homes is they don't need to sort of, you know, cut down on the weight of the wood. That, you know, it feels heavy.
Right.
There. What have you got in here? Oh wow. There's little twin beds in here. So this is it's 6, you said. Now obviously the other one is a sofa bed.
That's right, in the lounge.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's nice.
So you've got a wardrobe, haven't you, behind you there?
Yeah. Yeah, and more
And some
drawers down
drawers
there.
down the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh, I like this.
She liked them. What about the fridge? You like the fridge? Oh yeah.
Yeah. Well, you were raving about that, but I thought it's not like that.
No. We saw a Samsung double door fridge
In Wicks.
in Wicks, and I fell in love with it. But, obviously, you can have whatever fridge you want, really, can't you?
Yeah, oh yeah, because that's what's
Yeah.
standalone. So
Is-
what is this?
Well, that's an oven, presumably.
Well, I presume so, but is it?
Don't know. That's the button. Oh, it is a
Yes,
microwave.
microwave,
It's a
isn't
microwave, yeah. But it's got all the functions, isn't it?
Preset programs upside down.
Let's have a look at the kitchen area. Again, another radiator here.
That's a cooker.
Big cooker, yeah,
Hot point again.
yeah. 4 burner gas.
Yep.
Covers up there, extractor fan, toaster, kettle. I mean, you know, we've stayed in smaller houses, haven't we?
We have. There's bins in there. There's no washing machine or
Tumble dryer.
tumble dryer or anything, is
No.
there? But I suppose you're near the
Well,
campsite.
you've got the
you go to
campsite, haven't you? So,
You go to the laundry there.
yeah. So you've got a, I'm assuming that's your TV area, isn't it?
Yeah, so well, yeah, because it's got an aerial
Yeah,
thing.
yeah. More cupboards up here.
So plug there with 2 USB.
Oh yeah,
USB A's, aren't they?
USB, yeah, just the USB A.
So
Yeah.
the same one. There's another one there.
Okay, well, that's nice to see, isn't it? Thermostat on the wall. Obviously, you might have a. Oh, you've got quite a nice view out there over the countryside. Oh, look at this sofa. It's huge.
That was nice. Quite comfortable.
Yeah, you've got obviously got this sofa and you've got the other one, dinette sofa.
Dinette one.
Yeah, yeah.
Nice. I mean, I saw there's one down the end there. Someone's got a motorhome parked outside.
Yeah. Yeah.
So if we really, really get fed up with that ceiling,
We might be knocking on the door.
yeah, that's right.
Let us what you think. Are you interested in holiday homes? Is it something that you might be interested in? Certainly, you know, people of a certain age
Yeah.
might be thinking, I've had enough of touring and towing and whatever. No, it's good. Cheaper this one, isn't it? For 22,495.
6 again, 2 bedrooms.
Six, 2 bedrooms, 35 feet, so same size. I presume this is a second-hand one, or? Yeah, so I didn't realise when I was looking at that one that they are both pre-loved.
Yeah, well, that looked
Both.
almost new, didn't it?
Yeah, that's right.
I mean, you could tell someone's been here before.
Yeah, but it is immaculately kept. Oh dear. There's a nice little window seat here.
But obviously telly goes over there,
Yeah,
the corner thing.
yeah. Old gas fire in here. And sofa, a little table here. The bottle's empty, unfortunately. Yeah. Yeah.
A big lounge.
Yeah. Similar sized kitchen.
Right.
Okay. It's got Russell Hobbs toaster and kettle, so it must be all right.
We dressed the caravans ourselves.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So is that included or
No, it's just to give you an idea of
what it could be like?
Yeah.
Yeah. I
we
got
make
you.
the beds and
Yeah. Okay. There's a QR code there if you want a bit more information. Just hold it there for a minute.
yeah, I've dressed all 3 of them. Actually.
Yeah. Yeah.
Look in there.
Yeah, I'm going to have a look in there. The sleeping areas. Got a boiler in there. Sorry?
There's a huge wardrobe.
Yeah.
I mean, huge.
Yeah.
What's that?
It's a flue,
Oh, right.
I would say. Yeah. There's your ensuite toilet and shower. Okay. This is sighted here till 2035, I think it said on the literature. There's 2 ways in here. Yeah. Yeah.
It might be your only washroom, mightn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
2 ways in.
Yeah. That's the other door, isn't it? There.
Is that the other?
That's the other bedroom, same as the other one. The two singles. Yeah. Yeah, the wardrobe. Yep. Okay. It does feel quite spacious. I like this big lounge area. Yeah. Well, yeah, let us know what you think. Like I say, this one is considerably cheaper. But have a look on the website. Yeah. Yeah, it said a great first holiday home. Yeah, I was just saying, and down by the dog walk, you can notice the road noise here. By the time we're up the top, up there, I can't hear it at all. It's a very peaceful sight. See why Jill and Dave and Kira like it here. And Poppy. Yeah.
We is connected.
There he is.
Where's Jenny? Right, Mrs. Earnshaw. Part with the dog. Can I borrow you for a second, please, Mrs. Dawn? I want the mic off you.
Oh, okay.
There you go. You'll know you've got one on. Right, does somebody want to take Poppy?
I'll take Poppy.
Put your hand out. You naughty girl. Right, come out the way, you. I'm just going to tell it to start.
Poppy, come here.
And I want just you in shot, you see.
3, 2, 1.
Spike Bob.
Pick me up.
Let's pick you up.
Yeah. Yeah, your glass is a bit dark, maybe it's that.
Right,
Well,
give
it's
me
not
the
been
camera.
dark
Yeah.
anymore.
Now, Bob, put your hand up flat towards it. And you can move it wherever you want.
So if I go over there. My goodness. So you're just controlling it with your hand.
Yes. Now, if you give me Poppy, put your other hand up beside it and move your hands farther apart.
Wow.
And then stop. And there you are. Because it's all the way
You're
back
going to
there.
follow me then, is it?
If you walk towards it now, take Jenny with you, and you can talk to each other like a young couple.
Hello, darling.
And it'll follow you back.
Yeah, so we've come down to Sheriff Hutton, into the highwayman. You can just see the castle in the background, that's private. But go and see what the the food's like. It's all right, isn't it? Yeah, that was very nice. We enjoyed that a lot. Yeah, the highwayman, Sheriff Hutton. And it's quite popular. It's got quite busy in there as well. So best to arrive early, like we did. We're leaving York Meadows Caravan Park. Really enjoyed it here. It's been good. Nice and quiet up this end, the other end really for families. So,
Yeah, but it's been very windy. A gust of,
it's my
it's
hair.
the hair. 32, 33 mile an hour gusts.
Yeah.
So
yeah. So we're going to try and avoid the M62 on our way home.
We're going to go A59, which is more a nice route anyway.
Yeah.
But we have had a fantastic time, and it's thanks to David and Jill.
Yeah.
It's a lovely site. Well, I think one of the best ones been on, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's right.
and the pub in the village, very nice.
Well, you can walk too, but it's a little bit dodgy on that road.
Well, it was very, very windy and wet on and off yesterday, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's right. But the pub was lovely. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. It's free. It helps the channel. I like it. She likes it.
And Poppy thinks it's
She
great.
thinks it's wonderful.
Yeah, this is all for her anyway.
That's right.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay then.
We'll see you soon.
Yeah. Bye then.